welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. So I'm working my way through my commissions. I'm down from 27 to about 19 now, 20 commissions. So working hard on those. And today I'm going to be completing one more. Tanya, our dear friend Tanya, who is a patron of mine, who I've painted for before. She wanted Doctor Who and Stone Cold Steve Austin. She bought both Stone Cold Steve Austin canvases as well. She now wants Game of Thrones, the Night King. Scary fella on Game of Thrones, the big bad. So I'm going to paint that. Now, as I say, Tanya's a patron, so she enjoys mates rates. When my prices go up, it doesn't matter to her because she's a patron, she's a mate. So she enjoys all the benefits that goes with Patreon as well. Things like discount all year round and the print of your choice whenever you want it. If you want it for a birthday present, or if you just want it just to put in your little album that you're given with the patron as well. Or even doing what Last does. She just sticks a 5x7 print, whichever one she chooses, whenever she sees it. She's like, can I have this print? And I'm like, yes, I may know. She just puts it on her notepads and stuff, journals, and decorates the front of our books and stuff. Nice idea, you should do it too. The painting today will be on a large square canvas. It might not fit in the frame when I'm painting it, sorry about that, but I'll just zoom in on the certain parts that I'm painting and stuff. Pretty large canvas is going to be. Can't remember the size of it. Speaking of large canvases, I'm going to be painting soon on this canvas because I've been painting a lot of commissions and a lot of scenes recently, and whenever that happens, I always get like an urge to go back to mountains. I love painting mountains. So it built up and built up and built up, and it resulted in me buying this from Amazon, and I'm going to paint on this huge canvas soon. It's going to be a Northern Lights painting, mountain picture. If you're interested at all in something that size, being in your living room, imagine how good that would look. Original work of art from Scenescapeshop, Northern Lights mountain scene. If you're interested, let me know and I'll put your name down and it'll go on reserve. Quite a lot of people buy paintings before I've even painted them when they find out that I'm painting mountain pictures and stuff, so let me know if you want to paint in that size, and with it being a reserve price you can enjoy quite a healthy discount on it as well. And I've been keeping busy with my free art print range of my mountain endurance range over on scenescapeshopart.com. If you haven't been already, what the hell are you waiting for? Go ahead and do so. You can go there and choose your favorite of 6 mountain endurance prints on offer, whichever one speaks to you the most, or you can get all 6 if you want. After you choose your free art print, you get a link to the digital versions of all 6 in the range and more that are coming in all the time as I increase my range and as it will grow in future. You also get 20% off all of my artwork, whether it's prints or frame prints or signed prints on my Etsy store, as well as original works of art and commissions, of course. So you get to enjoy that kind of discount as well. It's been around 600 prints now sent out around the UK, and each of those prints are worth £15 on my Etsy store. So that's about, what, that's like £9,000. That's like nearly £10,000 worth of art has been sent out. No wonder I'm getting hacky looks from the posting. Now, as well as the print and the access to the digital version, so you can use it on your desktop backgrounds and mobile phone backgrounds and things like that, and as well as the discount as well, you also get an invite to my exclusive Facebook members group, the Scenescapeshop Escapees. Today's early days at the minute, but I've only just set up the first monthly competition. The first prize of which is a £45 A3 print of Strength. Hold on a second. I'll just, there we go. Strength. If you would like that, just head on over to scenescapeshopart.com, select your free print, get access to the Facebook group, like the post that is doing the competition, and then you're in with a chance of winning this A3 signed print. Today's video is brought to you by Photobox. Photobox, the best in the business. I would not be able to do my free print offer without Photobox. They've been helping me since day one, and if you're ever after any kind of photo gifts, or if you're an artist yourself and need some affordable, high quality art prints, then Photobox is the place to go. And given the theme of today's painting, today's video is also brought to you by Forbidden Planet. I'm an affiliate of Forbidden Planet. They haven't got back in touch with a code, unfortunately, for a discount on any of their products, but I will just list a few products down below to do with Game of Thrones if this painting ignites the spark within you about your Game of Thrones. A few t-shirts, pendants. I think there's a Night King action figure as well. Pretty cool. So do take a look in the description if you're interested in any of those. Alrighty, that about does it. It's Tanya's Night King from Game of Thrones coming up. So it's Coffee Break Thursday. You know what to do. Pop that kettle on, make yourself a cup of coffee, put your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Cheers.